Hi, my name is Troy Ruggiero. The purpose of this video is to demo the integration between Fieldwire and BoxLock for automating lockout tagout. Starting off on the Fieldwire side, I have added my single line drawings into my plans, and within these plans, I have added lockout tagout tasks. These tasks, as well as the projects, are what's integrated between Fieldwire and BoxLock. I manually add these lockout tagout locations, so I know where I apply each lock for lockout tagout. And the status of these tasks will also change based off of the energization status of the equipment. I've labeled these breaker 1, breaker 2, breaker 3, so I can clearly identify where each location is. On the BoxLock side, going to settings, I need to ensure that the lockout tagout functionality is enabled. And then also the Fieldwire integration is enabled along with the document URL transfer and selecting multiple projects. And that's where the multiple tasks come into play as well. On the location side, you can see I've added this BoxLock project as well as that Pied Piper data center project that we were looking on the Fieldwire side. And you can see here, I have breaker 1, breaker 2, and breaker 3 all clearly labeled here as well. When I click on one location, like breaker 1, you can see this location is currently energized. You can see there's nobody currently tagged on. So what I'll do, I'll take my BoxLock device, and I have a barcode scanner at the bottom with the button on top, and I'll take my job site badge and scan that QR code. And that's gonna scan, that's gonna record who the individual is. It's gonna show the energization status change from energized to now de-energized. I'll hang my LOTO tag on as well. And I'll get to this in a second as to why this is important. And I'll go to the Fieldwire side and see that breaker status has changed from energized to now de-energized, or red to green. And that audit trail is also recorded here within Fieldwire as well. On the BoxLock control side, I'll add an additional authorized employee to the LOTO location. The lock will not open because someone else is currently tagged on, and that's again going to record here within BoxLock control. Now, the purpose of this tag is this QR code is meant for third parties like an owner or a subcontractor or OSHA to come by and see what the lock's energization status is. And they'll pull up this view here of is it energized or not, what the location name was, who that LOTO admin is as well as who's currently locked on. Going in reverse order, I'll tag the first authorized employee off. Again, the lock will not open because someone's currently tagged on. And then I'll scan that second individual off as well, showing that the LOTO process is now complete. I'll take my LOTO tag off. The location is now going to show energized. And here within Fieldwire, that breaker status is also going to change from de-energized to now energized as well. Essentially completing that LOTO process. So now across your project, you can have transparency to all LOTO locations without that manual paperwork needing to go across.